Your love still speaks. I was lost in the weight of my failures, carrying shame I couldn't hide. Every step felt heavy with questions, every prayer just echoed inside. But you saw me in my weakness. You knew the cost before the pain. Still you chose the road to Calvary, love written in every vein. With every breath you surrender, with every wound you said my name. Heaven watched as mercy poured out. Nothing would ever be the same. On the cross, you gave it all. Your love poured out for me. On the cross, my chains were broken. I was set free. I was set free. On the cross, you bore my sin. Grace written in crimson streams. Jesus, forever I will stand in the victory you won for me. Oh, you were silent before your accusers, mocked and beaten, torn apart. Yet your eyes were filled with compassion, still holding my fragile heart. The crown of thorns upon your head, nails that held you to the tree. Every drop of blood was speaking, this is how much I love thee. Darkness trembled as you cried out. The veil was torn, the earth replied. In that moment, hope was reborn when you laid your life aside. On the cross, you gave it all. Your love poured out for me. On the cross, my chains were broken. I was set free. I was set free. On the cross, you took my place. Death was defeated by grace. Jesus, forever I will sing of the victory you won for me. It is finished, it is done. Love has overcome. By your wounds I am healed. By your blood I am redeemed. It is finished, it is done. The battle has been won. Every knee will bow and say, Jesus Christ is Lord today. Oh, it is finished. It is finished. It is finished. Oh, we lift you higher. We lift you higher. The Lamb who was slain. Worthy is your name. On the cross. We worship.